back to my channel. It's Beauty by Shafira. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how I created this look right here. Okay, and well, if this is your first time watching my video, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. I can't believe I almost forgot to say that. Please hit the subscribe button and so guys, I went on to draw my brows. If you need a tutorial on how to draw your brows, I think I have one up here. I should have a video some up here, or probably at the end of the video, where I showed how to draw my brows, so you can just go ahead and watch that. So now that I've drawn my brows, I'll just go straight to the eye look. And so guys, this is the final look. I am so feeling myself because I totally love this look. Like, I'm looking so fly. So guys, thank you again for watching my video. If you are yet to subscribe, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Remember, it is Beauty by Shafira. See you in my next video. Bye.